The first one of the day, guys. Right of the money. I think I'm in the right spot right now. Not a big fish, but it's a good fish, you know. Let's see what let me see if I can continue. They continue biting, you know. That's the more important part. So let me see what I can catch. Better ones or small ones, whatever. Just have fun. There's a release, guys. The second one of the day, guys. Good one. Very good one. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun in this area. Good one, good one, good one. There's a release, guys. The third one of the day, guys. My camera was off, I'm sorry. But it's a good one. Skinny. They're biting. There's a release, guys. The fourth one of the day, guys. He slammed it first and then he came back and got it. Good fish. The fifth one of the day, guys. Small one, but it's a fish. There it is. There's a release, guys. The sixth one of the day, guys. Good one. Good one, good one. Good fish. Nice one. I'll take a picture for Instagram. I'll take a picture and I'll release them, guys. There it is, guys. I'm gonna release them. Number 6. There it is. Seven one of the day. Number 7, guys. Number 7. Nice fish. There's a release, guys. Ay pal caldo. Number 8, guys. This is a good one. A good one, a good one. A good one, guys. Good one, good one. Ooh. Very nice one. 2-pounder. I don't know why, but they're biting after right at sunset. That's when they start biting. White chatterbait. The tail. Oh, they broke my tail of my trailer of the chatterbait. But I was about to head home because my trolling motor it's almost, my batteries are real low. It's running real slow. I gave him hell over there at the flats. But yeah, here's another one, guys. I'm gonna release him. There it goes. I'm heading home, guys. I caught 4 small ones in the flats, and I caught 2 good ones right at sunset. They bite good at this time, but I'm heading home because my trolling motor is, my batteries, the juice are, they don't got no more juice, you know. I was in the flats for 3 hours, 4 hours, and it took a lot of energy on my batteries. But yeah, guys, I hope you like the video. I'm gonna be posting it tonight, and give me a thumbs up, you know. Yeah, this time they like to bite, and you know, I hope you like the video, and I'll be posting it tonight. Have a nice night, and see you tomorrow in the water.